Welcome to the channel, guys. We're at the beautiful mineral bath just for a little bit today. Look at this. We're gonna get a wash off. Let me catch up to the guys because them gonna leave me. They gonna leave me. Hopefully over here empty. Morning. Morning. Over here pretty like money and empty. Last time we were here, they just reopened. So pretty. Oh, I can find Steve and the boys. Look at Mali. Where you going?
Wash off.
Oh.
Wash off.
Oh. Let's do that. So we have to wash off first. It's cold, bud?
It's not that cool. It's not that cool. Afraid of what? The water? Are you going to go in the pool?
Go wash
Afraid
off.
of the water, you're going in the pool. Anybody?
No.
You can't be afraid of the water, you're going to go in the pool. Come. Woo.
I don't think so I can come in.
Why?
Why? Go wash off, buddy. Go wash off. Otherwise, you can't go in the pool. Go. Wash off. It's cold. You're not used to cold water. Oh my goodness.
Alright, turn around. Turn around. Alright, go now. This is the male wash off area, I know.
Really? Why cold?
Huh?
I like cold water, I know.
Mikhail took off.
Yeah?
Yay! Careful, buddy. Take your time. Leave him. I'm going to swim in. Let him learn. I'm going to swim in. I'm going to learn. You doing it? I said nope. Don't want any floaty.
What bottle? What a big.
Look at me. Go underneath it. Careful. Take your time. Go. Go underneath it. Go underneath the water.
Oh, it's so good.
Michael is in control, guys.
Here, baby.
Excuse me?
I'm going to the deep end. You're going to? The deep end? No part of this is deep. It's tight.
Dad!
Yes, Papa?
Yes, baby.
It's alright.
Ready? Ready, let's go. Ready?
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Much more comfortable than water, right?
Woo. Wait a minute. Yeah, look at my baby. You go, buddy.
I need my goggles now.
You need your goggles? You going for it?
There's a food put you down. It has no valid. It's clean or die. Go.
Yeah, clean.
Come, buddy, come. Yeah. Go to daddy, go. Go. Go, buddy, go.
Yay! You did it, buddy.
We're gonna leave you for the day. Tell them bye, baby.
Thank you for joining us, guys. Bye. Take your time, boy. Take your time. Take your time, buddy.
Hey!